Alert! Antarctica in accelerated thawing. Nibiru's electromagnetic force has destabilized the Earth's core, and Antarctica is home to the largest volcanic chain on Earth. Subscribe to the channel. Antarctica is the Earth's south pole and the fifth largest continent, and also the coldest continent on our planet, but the interesting thing is that about 70% of the world's fresh water is frozen at the South Pole. Several volcanoes are awakening in Antarctica without being reported in the world media. Antarctica is home to the largest volcanic chain on Earth that stretches over 5,000 kilometers from the sub-Antarctic South Sandwich Islands to East Antarctica. Scientists have known about subantarctic volcanoes for a long time, but their exact number was still a mystery. However, a study by researchers at the University of Edinburgh revealed that there are 138 volcanoes located in West Antarctica, 91 of which are completely unknown volcanoes. Scientists have revealed that there are 138 volcanoes located in West Antarctica. Of these 138 known volcanoes, 2 are active. Mount Erebus is currently the most active, and Deception Island is the exposed tip of an active volcano. Both have erupted in recent years but have caused no serious damage. Furthermore, analyses of rock samples show that eruption events in the last 100,000 years are frequent. But there is no evidence of really strong volcanic eruptions in Antarctica in the recent geological past. However, there are new reports of really powerful volcanoes from this continent already erupting. There are many other volcanoes lurking under the ice. We didn't actually know that Antarctica had active volcanoes buried under it until 2013, when scientists came across 2 small earthquake clusters. Now, scientists have scanned Antarctica with ice-penetrating radar and know that there are many other volcanoes lurking beneath the ice. Exactly 138. Do you know what happens when a volcano erupts? There are often warning signs before eruptions actually start, like earthquake waves. Then lava and ash come together, accompanied by hot gas that will be expelled from the crater. Depending on the situation and the type of lava involved, the rate of lava flow also varies, but on average lava moves at a speed of 10 km per hour. But when a major eruption occurs, a volcano releases superheated gases and ash. Together they create something called a pyroclastic cloud. These are very hot, up to 700 degrees, and can travel at 80 km per hour. And when you get stuck in those clouds, you only have to face one result, and that is death. Subscribe to the channel. Depending on the type of lava, its flow is also different. But the eruption of volcanoes in Antarctica is another story. They are buried under layers of ice more than 4 kilometers thick in many places. We won't have to deal with volcanic gases moving to the surface, at least for now. An eruption occurs. However, the heat released will melt the giant caves, creating a significant amount of meltwater. And that's when things started to go wrong. The heat released is melting the giant caves. The newly created meltwater will cause the ice above it to move faster. The ice from Antarctica will start entering the ocean. The domino effect starting. In the case of Antarctica, a really big volcanic eruption could wake up hundreds of other volcanoes and destabilize the entire region. As volcanoes continue to erupt, more meltwater will be generated, causing more Antarctic ice to slide into the ocean. This will expose Antarctica's icebergs to warmer ocean currents and reveal the true surface of Antarctica that has been hidden under ice for all time. And if all of Antarctica's ice melted, it would raise global sea levels by about 60 meters. Rising sea levels can contribute to larger storms that move more slowly and rain more, which in turn will wreak more havoc on the Earth's surface. Wildlife along coastal areas will lose habitat, and farmland will become saline. Massive floods will push millions away from the coast. If eruptions happened within a day, we would see thousands of deaths, and storms would wipe out everything floating in the ocean. Volcanoes in Antarctica erupt with force, allowing the release of more harmful greenhouse gases and eroding the ozone layer. As for Antarctica, when all the ice melts, the magma will cover the entire continent. The hot magma would solidify in the cold waters of Antarctica and could create more soil for the foundation of Antarctica itself. But things don't end there. When volcanoes erupt over land, they spew hot gases including carbon monoxide, methane, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Along with this, there is usually some steam getting into the mixture. According to some estimates, volcanoes are responsible for emitting 645 million tons of CO2 per year. Volcanic eruptions in Antarctica become strong enough that they will blow away large swaths of ice, allowing the release of more harmful greenhouse gases and eroding the ozone layer. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications, to receive new videos.